Okay, we are getting started with the demonstration for today. Okay, so just to give a quick taste, we have our chart over here in the corner. Amazing. The chart will always stay the same. And just wanted to start with a little bit of a going through a lot of songs very quickly, just as a quick sample there. So the chart in the bottom right corner will always stay the same. And what we're trying to show here is that for any song, we have the year over here, the country, the name of the singer, and the name of the song. We also have the sort of the map, the lyric map, just the colors and shapes. And then over here, the same map of matching colors expands to hold one word per square. Okay, and also really cool, there's like a dial so you can go through, like these are songs like in English. You can cycle through them like mega fast. Everything in the 90,000s is English language songs. Yeah, excellent. There's a lot of them. And then for every song, you can even go to the next verse. This number here is like the verse, or sort of the verse of the song. So you have like verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, verse 4, etc. Okay, very cool. Um, okay, also another feature in the 80,000s, I've been storing all the different, these are all the non-English languages, just as a taste to run through a bunch of them. Like, yeah. Okay, excellent. And there's also a language selector. These are all the different languages. You know, you could pick like a song in Farsi. Once you pick a language, yeah, pick any language, and then it will show popular songs in that language. Yeah. And you can also progress through like this. Very cool. And another cool feature is when shapes appear, you can actually search by shape. So give me all the songs that have a square appearing pattern, and it will filter for all those with squares. That's really cool. Yeah, lots of playing around there. You can also filter for another shape. You can actually search by shape. Yeah, I love that. The universal shape search. Pretty cool. Oh, what are some other things that can be explored? Um, you can punch in a punch code. Uh, yeah, so let's say if you have a song, I'm kind of cheating here because I got a bunch of songs as Lego, Lego like a pattern. So if you have a pattern like this, you can just punch in the top row. So for any calculated song that you can hold in your hand, you punch in the top row. So gray, gray, green, green, gray, green, brown. 2255257. Did that pretty fast, but I'm just using the chart on screen where 2 are all the words that begin with M and N. It's like ma nishtana. And then green are words that begin with Y, H, or W. So man nishtana halayla zeh mikol halaylos. Yeah, that's the song I'm holding in my hand. I got millions of songs next to me. I got like charts upon charts. But whatever, we're focusing on the computer program here. What are some other features that are cool? You can also search, people like to search by word. Let's say I put in chicken. Give me all the songs where the word chicken appears as one of the lyrics. Okay, there's those. There it is. Here's chicken. Yeah, you can search for any word or phrase. Uh, yeah, you don't even need to know the song. So let's say I give me songs that have in the lyrics um, "my love" or something. Okay. Oh, there's a Filipino song. There is a Japanese song with the phrase "my love." A Japanese singer. It's in English. Much of the song. Or mixed Japanese English. Thinking Out Loud, a British song. Okay. Dua Lipa. Yeah, you can. So you can. The fact that there's like a fixed, I guess you call it a user interface. You can move around the data in like cool patterns. For example, this song would be yellow, purple, 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 green, yellow, purple. So if I were to punch in just from practicing it, 1666516. Oops, 51666516. Yeah, that would be like the first row of the song there, just like that. Yeah, very cool. Uh, yeah, so what else can you do? You can also search by singer name. Let's say give me all the Britney Spearses. Okay, so this would be all the verses from all the songs where the singer is Britney Spears. So you can do a singer search, and then it'll lock on, and then you can focus on all of her songs, going song by song and verse by verse. Yeah, and whatever songs have been loaded in. Yeah. Also, you can search by um, other cool things. You could just punch in random numbers. Give me all the one, two, three. Give me all the songs that have a one, two, three, four, five pattern. Okay, so one, two, three, four, five. Uh, okay, here's a song in Vietnamese that this is actually in Vietnamese. It's transliterated to break it down nicely. Help it present it. And then, yeah, this song has a one, two, three, four, five pattern, a yellow, gray, red, blue, green pattern. That would be these words here. Here's the song. Ed Sheeran has a one, two, three, four, five. Give me love, like her. Okay. Dolly Parton has a one, two, three, four, five pattern. One in love forever we. Okay. And oh, just to remember, a little trick is that sometimes when you have a word that is already a number, like the number one or the number two or the number three, then instead of finding the first sound of the word, we can just map it directly. It's already the number one. So instead of looking for words that begin with a K or G or J sound, it's already the number one. So you can just map it directly as an alternate mapping. Same with the word love. This is a great example here. Same with the word love. Love or heart or fire or blood. These are all red sounding words. So we can map them to red directly instead of looking for the first consonant sound. And forever begins with a four, the number four. So you can map that directly to four, blue, as opposed to looking as mapping it to F, which would be purple. So you can have switches to get cooler effects. Other one, two, three, four, fives carried on the C. Here, C is turned into blue, thinking of like water and river and lake and sea and ocean are all blue sounding words like sky and river and water, etc. Yeah, carried on the sea. He. So we got another one, two, three, four, five. This song would be Madonna, 1976. Okay, just some showing off some cool features there. And yeah. And so, yeah, you can always just enjoy. You can literally instantly jump around completely different. These are completely different languages. And they're all, when needed, they're all transliterated, like Chinese or, say, Greek. So it would transliterate. We're just using the ABC symbols, or in Hebrew instead of the Hebrew letters, or Russian. This would be in Russian. Lots of, yeah, very cool. Yeah, some examples there. Okay, very cool. And of course, there's all these songs from all these different languages. Just setting me back to number one here. And yeah, just loading in all these different songs from completely different languages broken down and encoded. Amazing. Okay, we still have to fill some more in. Awesome demonstration here. Take care.